Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys meaningfully engage with the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including the media, referral sources, and prospective clients. I wanted to talk in this video about the difference between newsworthy events and noteworthy events at law firms. Newsworthy events are fairly self-explanatory. They are the kinds of things that happen either with a firm's matters and cases or with the firm and its attorneys itself that rise to the level of being of interest to local, regional, or national media outlets. We often think about our cases as being the main driver behind public relations efforts and publicity efforts and newsworthiness of the work we do. But sometimes newsworthy events could come in the form of a merger, a new partner joining the firm, a new office opening, or some kind of high-profile charitable endeavor. These newsworthy events are going to be obviously of interest to the media, and subsequently, they should be pushed out and disseminated by you and your law firm to your referral sources, to your prospective clients. They should be pushed out on your social media channels, on your website, on your blog, and any other properties, such as your newsletter, that reach these key audiences like referrals, and referral sources, and prospective and current clients. But noteworthy events are a little different. Noteworthy events are the kinds of events that are not going to rise to the level of newsworthiness. A reporter, a media outlet, they're not going to care about the substance of what happened. But your referral sources and your prospective clients might very well. And I'd argue that sometimes a noteworthy event could be more powerful in your firm's marketing efforts than a newsworthy event. So let me give you an example. If you helped someone, one of your clients, defeat or win a tough motion, that is the kind of motion that other attorneys might have difficulty winning. That is something that your referral sources are going to want to know. That's something that maybe even prospective clients might know if you're able to tell that story in a way that drops all the legalese and is communicated in plain English to the audience. Sometimes you have the mere filing of a case. Sometimes you might have a settlement or a resolution in a personal injury case. Sometimes, if you're doing family law work or elder law or trust and estates or other kinds of practices that don't really have newsworthy events, the fact that you achieved something for a client and the client lets you talk either in generalities or specifics about what you've achieved for them, that is the kind of news that is of interest to referral sources and prospective clients, because now you're communicating to them that you know exactly how to handle the kinds of issues that they are dealing with. And in their search for an attorney, that knowledge, that lowercase e expertise that you're bringing to those kinds of problems is going to hopefully stand out. Because remember, most attorneys in their marketing, in their websites, they are focused on either talking about their qualifications, or they'll shoot videos like this, or have blog posts that answer questions. And obviously the latter is the emerging trend in marketing and much more of an effective tactic than simply listing the courts you're admitted to and where you went to law school. But just because you can answer general questions doesn't mean that you know specifically how to handle the kinds of problems that would-be clients or would-be referral sources are dealing with in their own cases. Thus, by telling your key audiences, referral sources, prospective clients about noteworthy developments in your cases and in your practice, you might be able to actually connect with them through that demonstration of your knowledge and your expertise. A nice benefit is sometimes this could actually help with newsworthy events, or at least connecting with reporters down the road. Reporters see on your website, they see on your blog or your social media feeds, or even if they receive your email newsletter, they see the kind of work you're doing. And they understand that by the nature of you doing this work and doing it successfully, you could be someone that reporters could go to whenever there is a high-profile example of this kind of legal problem. They can come to you because you appear to be someone who has this knowledge and this expertise. Newsworthy developments in your firm and in your matters should be leveraged appropriately. If you think you have something that's newsworthy, go to the media and make sure you tell the media all about it, assuming you're doing so ethically and with the client's permission. But noteworthy developments are equally as beneficial to your firm's marketing, and in some cases could actually be more powerful than newsworthy developments, because those noteworthy developments demonstrate to your referral sources and your prospective clients that you are qualified and able to help them with whatever legal issue they might need. If you would like more information about my firm and the work I do, please visit copostrategies.com, COPO strategies.com. I'll talk to you soon.